So friends, for the top story of the week, मेरे पास में है Nothing. Well, Nothing से I mean these two new products from Nothing. This is the all new earphone from Nothing, which is called Nothing Ear, and this is an affordable version called the Ear A. अब नथिंग आपको पता है, इट्स वेरी यूनिक ब्रांड जहां पे वो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग डिजाइन मिलता है एंड द काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स दैट दे हैव इन देयर लाइनअप, इट्स क्वाइट यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस. और बेसिकली हमको वही नया प्रीमियम एक्सपीरियंस मिला है इन दीज टू न्यू ईयरफोन्स फ्रॉम नथिंग. बेसिकली इफ यू रिमेंबर, नथिंग ने अपनी शुरुआत भी जो की थी वो एक ईयरफोन के साथ ही की थी. नाउ दिस इज द लेटेस्ट आइटरेशन. लेट्स सी अप क्लोज और हम पता लगाते हैं कि आखिर इन नए ईयरफोन्स के क्या फीचर्स हैं कमिंग स्ट्रेट from Nothing.
Nothing is about to rock your world yet again with the Nothing earbuds, the Nothing Ear A and the Nothing Ear with their next level sound. Let's talk about the Nothing Ear A first. पहली नजर में these buds are head turners. Fresh color options, clear design, compact and cool. And check this out. Ear A is smart about noise too. It knows how your ear fits, so ये आपको देता है just the right noise cancellation. What's even better, it figures out how loud your surroundings are और उसके हिसाब से noise cancellation adjust करता है for serious peace and quiet. And the sound, you're going to love it. Ear A में एक custom driver है for deep bass and clear highs. And the bass enhance, it's like a mini party in your ears. Plus long lasting battery का मतलब इन earbuds का play time doesn't stop. अब बात करें Nothing Ear की, तो if you want an audio experience that's next level, say hello to the Nothing Ear. इसका ceramic driver ensure करता है that you get to hear crystal clear highs, booming bass like it's a front row seat at a concert. It's power packed too. It has a long battery life and these buds support wireless charging. Plus ये बना है gaming के लिए भी. That low lag mode makes all the difference with reactions lightning fast, leaving the competition in the dust. Whichever you choose, the Nothing Ear A or the Nothing Ear, you're getting next generation features, packed with tech that's built to last and guaranteed to make your music and your life sound awesome.
So guys, there you have it, the two new latest earphones from Nothing, completely wireless, the all new Nothing Ear and the Nothing Ear A. Well, to be honest, मुझे इसका डिज़ाइन ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. The simple reason is that this Nothing Ear is almost looking exactly the same as the previous version. आपको पता है the Nothing Ear 2 that came. तो design feels quite familiar, but at the same time, this one, the Ear A in particular, it looks quite unique, like a lunchbox to be honest. काफ़ी fresh color है. This yellow is giving a different vibe altogether. At the same time, हमारे पास में जो Nothing का signature, we have this transparent design going on, तो वो हमको इन दोनों ईयरफोन से मिल जाता है. And basically with interesting features like active noise cancellation या फिर in fact quick pairing या all together अगर हम बात करते हैं, just like the 11mm dynamic driver, these earphones are quite interesting. And now speaking of the price, the launch price for this Nothing Ear A is rupees 5,999 and for this the ear is 10,999 rupees. तो ये है Nothing की earphones. Well, यूज कर सकते हैं and if you have a Nothing phone, these could be a nice companion altogether.